Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your brand values with Buffer easy tutorial step by step clearly. To protect your brand values using Buffer, first, create a Buffer account if you don't already have one. Navigate to the Buffer dashboard once you're logged in. Connect your social media accounts to Buffer by selecting the Connect button. Choose the platforms where you want to manage your brand presence. Ensure that your brand guidelines are clear and accessible. Reference these guidelines as you set up your content strategy within Buffer. Create posts that align with your brand voice and values. Use the scheduling feature to maintain a consistent posting schedule. This helps reinforce your brand identity over time. Next, monitor your engagement metrics closely. Look for patterns in user interactions that could indicate how your brand values are resonating. If you notice any negative feedback, address it promptly and professionally. Use Buffer's analytics tools to evaluate the performance of your content. Identify which posts align best with your brand values and audience expectations. Adapt your content strategy based on these insights to maintain alignment with your values. Regularly review your posts to ensure they remain true to your brand guidelines. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages in a way that reflects your brand values. Consider setting up approval workflows if you have a team. This ensures all content is reviewed before posting. Take advantage of Buffer's publishing tools to streamline your content creation process. Regularly update your branding assets within your Buffer account. This includes logos, images, and any specific language that represents your brand. Finally, keep learning and evolving your strategies based on the feedback you receive. This will help safeguard your brand values as your business grows. Following these steps will empower you to effectively protect your brand values using Buffer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.